We just arrived at Tanikely Island. It's a beautiful island, but it's a natural park. You have to pay small fees to get in. And we are going for snorkeling because it's a beautiful island. Today we have a workshop on board, and the job is to repaint for the third time the table, because the white it's always dirty. Now Corinne decided to change the color and to put a grey color, We'll see how it will look. You happy?
Yes. First coat. As you can see in our table, there is the life raft. You can have access from the top and from the bottom under the boat. That's a very clever idea.
And we put it here because to avoid a lot of weight on the back of the boat, it's better to center the weight in the middle of the boat. That means that's why we put it here. Very clever, exact. This is the second coat of the paint, and you do now.
About the second coat?
The second.
This is the result of the painting of our table. So I'm very happy for the result. It's much better than before. White, it was always dirty, and so we'll see in the future if it will be good.
That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoy what we show you, and there is nothing else for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have also the Patreon channel if you want to help us a little bit. And
we are here in Madagascar. We're still in Madagascar, in Nosy Komba. So that's a very beautiful place. And next, in the future, we will leave Madagascar.
We will leave Madagascar. Finally, after 6 months in Madagascar.
Yes.
Now we leave for
a new destination.
New destination, English-speaking destination.
Yes.
Now it's finished with the French. Now we go on English-speaking destination. Anyway, thank you very much to follow us. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll appreciate your comments. Don't hesitate to put some comments to improve a little bit our English.
Our lovely English.
Our lovely English. Bye. Have a nice week.
Salut. Salut.
Salut.